Hey guys, this is our writing with phonics, K5, page 17 and 18. All right, we are going to work on the letter T. The lowercase t starts in the middle of the upstairs and it is like a cross. Pull down, push across. Pull down, push across. This is a lowercase l. It's a pull down, pull down, pull down. All right, right here in the downstairs, we have the lowercase o, and it's like a ball, a ball. And then right here we have the lowercase a ball, push up, pull down, a ball, swing up, pull down, a ball, swing up, pull down. All right, on line 3, we have the blend t, e, te. All right. Pull down, push across. The letter E is push across, up and around. Pull down, push across, up and around. T, e, te. Next, we have the blend la. Let's write it. Pull down. U is a smile and a pull down. Pull down with a smile and a pull down. La. La. Flip on the back. The capital B. Let me erase this. Or the lowercase b is a pull down with a belly. 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 Keep going. Good. Now your capital B is going to have the smile stroke or the hump. See, it's a smile, but it's turned to the side. All right, it's a pull down, hump, hump. 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 Good. All right, sweet friends. See you later.